My name is Eric Hayden. I'm a meteorologist with the Weather Service in Morehead City, North Carolina. This video update will cover the timing of snow later Thursday in our area, how much snow we can expect, and some of the uncertainties in the forecast. We recorded this video around 4:45 Wednesday evening. The snowfall forecast really hasn't changed much from about 24 hours ago. 2 to 3 inches of snow is the most likely scenario inland, places like Greenville, Plymouth, and also Kinston. Lesser amounts toward the coast, but still a dusting to an inch, places like Jacksonville and Morehead City. And if we're going to miss out on the snow, it would be most likely Ocracoke Island over toward Hatteras Island. This is the reasonable worst case scenario. It's unlikely we'll see this, but some of our models that we use to forecast are suggesting the potential for some heavier bands of snow. If we're going to see that heavier snow, again, most likely the farther north and west you live. So especially north of New Bern, places like Greenville, Plymouth, Columbia, and Belhaven. Not as likely farther south and east, and especially toward the southern Outer Banks. As far as the onset of snow, we may see some snowflakes mixing in, even mostly snow between 5 and 8 in the pink shaded area, 8 to 11 in the blue shaded area, and after 11 Thursday evening down East Carteret County toward Hatteras Island. This is just when we expect the first snowflakes to fall. Initially, temperatures are going to be above freezing, so we don't anticipate a lot of issues on the roadways until Thursday night. At that point, temperatures will drop below freezing, and we may have some slick spots, especially bridges and overpasses, through daybreak on Friday. Now, as far as Friday is concerned, the snow comes to an end, the sun comes out, we get to around 40 degrees, so we'll melt a lot of the snow, and where we see an inch or less, a lot of that snow is just going to leave us. But farther inland, those places that see 2-3 inches of snowfall, anything that sticks around Friday night will refreeze. So Greenville, Plymouth, those areas that get hit harder, if we have any wet spots Friday evening with overnight lows Friday night in the low to mid 20s, we will see that snow freeze up again and more icy spots are expected. To wrap up, snow is expected again later Thursday. Confidence still remains highest that the farther you live inland will be the more likely you are to see snowfall.